This is my daughter's Pebbles costume. I took her 5 months photo in this and she was so cute and adorable. I love it. To the pattern. This pattern says easy. It is easy. This top dress part, it's 2 rectangles that are 25 inches by 15 inches, and you do your hem at the bottom and it's just a rolled hem. And up here, you pretty much do the same thing, you just make it bigger. I did view A and view B. I did not do the ruffles, and I cheated with the strings. I just used ribbon, and I changed it so it ties around the neck. For the little triangle on her dress, I just used black fabric, and I ironed paper-backed fusible webbing to the black fabric because then I could just draw the little triangles on it and cut them out, and it was really easy. Here's the back of it. It's very simple. I still do have the strings because they want you to tie it over the shoulder. If you want to make this clip, it's really easy. I used a wooden dowel. I put Sculpey around it, that little bakeable clay, and formed the bone. Put it in the oven. I painted it. You okay? Oh, sorry. The little pantaloons, or whatever these are called, are super cute. It's a great pattern for beginners. So if you're starting out and you're wanting something that's really straightforward with good directions, this would be a great place to start. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'd be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.
I talked.
You talked in my video?